this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. What we have going on here is the 2024 CX-90 PHEV. You guessed it, PHEV stands for Plug-in Hybrid Electric Vehicle. This is Mazda's newest and hottest model to hit the line. With this beautiful luxury SUV, you are going to have a couple different options. This particular option is an inline four because it is a plug-in hybrid. You can choose between gasoline and power. When you're using strictly power, you are going to get 56 miles to the gallon on this vehicle. Otherwise, if you use all gas, then you're going to get 25 miles to the gallon overall with this vehicle. It is a beautiful vehicle. It's in the new Mazda's Artisan Red. Now with the CX-90s, they are available as a 6, 7, and 8 passenger vehicle, depending on the size of your family or the needs that you have for this vehicle. Now this vehicle does come with heated seats. It comes with the MI drive, which is going to get you sport mode for greater torque, more power, or you could have off-road. Off-road is basically whenever the tires aren't on concrete, you turn the off-road mode on. The vehicle is going to be in a lower torque, and it's going to apply brake force with wheels that aren't getting traction. That allows you to tackle even the toughest of environments. Come on down to Russ Darrow Mazda. Check out the brand new 2024 CX-90. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely affordable. We would love to service you, and we would love to serve you. Come to see us. I'll look for you on the lot. Take care.